Okay, today we're doing a video on the air purge for Mimaki UCJV. So if you've got this message on your screen of your Mimaki UCJV, this is the process on how to perform the air purge. So press menu, go into maintenance, scroll down until you're on the second page, and there you'll see air PG. That's for the air purge. Hit that. This is a 300, so you've got two heads to choose from. If you want to isolate the heads, we're going to do both. So press enter. You can see in the top corner it does say head 1. So we're going to open the cover and we're going to access the panel on the print heads. Which is right here. On the older models there might be a thumb screw holding that in, but on the newer models it's just a hatch. So we're following the instructions on the screen at the time as well. So here you can see this. So this is the air purge tool. And then these are the ports for the air purge, so 4 on each print head. So we're going to slightly turn to remove the cap. So as you can see, the cap is shaped in a very specific way, so you turn, you pop it in and then you turn it to lock it, and then obviously turn it to unlock it and pop it out. Same for the cap and the tool itself. And you can always tell what colour it is because you will get a little bit of residual ink. If you ever need to purge a certain colour of line, just touch the end of the cap, that'll tell you what colour of ink it is. So pop the tool in and twist it till it locks. As you can see there, the tube is locked into the print head now. And we're going to press enter at this stage. And enter again to start the air purge process. Now it should start purging straight away. So we're going to give it a minute. But if for any reason it doesn't start purging, you can press a button on the screen. Here you'll see. If you press the function 2 button with that blue arrow, that will force the air purge again. So we're going to press that, and what we're waiting to see is ink being purged out of the line. And there it is, you can see the cyan there. And also you can see just below it there's ink dripping from the print head onto the absorber pad there. So basically you want to give it a minute, wait till the ink stops dripping from the head onto the pad, and then you can twist the air purge tool, pop it out. And we're just going to rest it in its little holder there while we put the cap back in. And again, pop it in, twist it 45 degrees and repeat to unlock. So we're going to move on to the next one of head 1. You can put the tube in, as it shows here, upside down if it fits more comfortably. Doesn't make any difference. It can be top or bottom, as long as it's in and twisted so it's nicely locked in position. Then we're going to come back to here. Now you'll see there's a message saying have you finished, press enter, but if not, press end. So we haven't finished, we're going to press end, and then it brings you back to this screen. Press the function 2 button again to start the purge, and again wait for the ink to travel down the line. It should do, there we go, any second, there it is. And again you can see the ink dripping from the head into the absorber pad underneath. So once again, give it a minute, wait for the drips to stop, wait for the ink to stop moving down the line, and rinse and repeat. So we'll speed this little bit up for you. Until all 4 ports on that first print head are done. So we have finished the purge on head 1, so we just press enter. It's telling you to obviously put the caps on and put the tool out of the way, so make sure we do that. Tool is out of the way, cap is on, shut the cover on the head and press enter. It says tighten the screw in case you have a screw. Then it will automatically go into head 2. And this is just a repeat of the process for head 1. But you do have to tell the machine you've done head 1. It will reset things and then move the carriage so head 2 is positioned above the wiper, the cap absorber pad, sorry. And once again, repeating that process for all 4 of those ports. So this is the very last port on head 2. Shut the cover, make sure the tool is nicely away where it should be. And we finished head 2. Press enter. Reset the tool, make sure the caps are on, which we've done. And at this stage, once it's finished head 2, it will automatically follow things up with a normal machine clean. And there we go, all done.